Hello friends, welcome to SAS Food Blogs. How to make two types of delicious milkshake recipe in just 5 minutes. That is strawberry milkshake and banana dates milkshake. Looking for quick and tasty milkshake recipes? In this video, we show you how to make two delicious and refreshing milkshakes. A creamy strawberry milkshake and a naturally sweet banana dates milkshake. These milkshakes are perfect for summer, easy to prepare and require just a few ingredients. Whether you are craving a fruity drink or a healthy shake without added sugar, these recipes are sure to satisfy your tasty buds. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update.